Hi love, today I don't know what you prepared for dinner. What are we having today?
Pilav.
Oh wow.
It's not pilau,
Not pilau.
it's pilav. Tell us how you made it.
We chopped the onions, and we had some chicken breast with rice. They were so surprised how it's done. This one you just chop the onions, put on the oven with some, how many liters of, we didn't put any oil, it was just rice.
And that cube
Some
for the
cubes.
soup.
Yeah, it was Royco cubes actually. We added on.
Will you try it?
Yeah, I'll try. I've never tried this in my life. Here in Kenya we call it pilau. Pilau. The original pilau. Rice pilau.
You should put it in a plate so it keeps the structure. So it doesn't fall apart when you...
Oh, when eating. It's really nice. Hi everyone. Today my husband made something very unique. It's called stuffed zucchini boat grounded beef.
Minced meat.
Minced meat, yeah. It's a
zucchini boats with minced meat.
Stuffed with minced meat. So we bought some zucchini, cut in half and removed the inside, or how is it called?
Yeah, let's call it.
Then he fried the mincemeat to make the stuffing, and I think he mixed
with onions.
Yeah, onions,
and
tomatoes.
Then
we grinded tomatoes, and then on top you put some cheese.
Garlic.
And
we mix eggs and cheese with little flour, which we added later. So
then everything we put on the oven, it's been baked.
Yeah. Okay, will you try it?
Yeah, I wanna try. See, then I say how it tastes. So soft. Oh wait, baby, sorry. So it's like water in the mouth. The zucchini.
It shouldn't be watery.
It is. Yeah, the mincemeat is really nice with the cheese.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really. This food is from where?
I have no idea. We make it in Serbia. Is it originally from Serbia or not? I don't know.
It's really nice. It's something we can always have for dinner. So this one, do we need to add the yogurt again on top, the sour cream, or just...
The sour cream goes on stuffed zucchini, but not on this zucchini. I don't know. These zucchini boats, they have cheese, so I don't see a point of putting
the sour cream.
Sour cream, yeah.
I love it. Thank you, baby. Wow. When your husband is tired of Kenyan's meal, now today we are doing stuffed paprika. We had two, the yellow one and the red one, and now we need to try it, see how it tastes. We stuffed it with rice, mincemeat, and some onions. Then this one you just have it with the bread. Let me try and see how it tastes. This is my first time trying this. It looks yummy. Very hot. nice, just need some salt. How is this called, baby?
Stuffed paprika.
That's all. Very nice. Today I want to try Serbian beans. It's beans mixed with bacons, and this one we have with bread. Let me just have it try. It's been prepared as usual by my husband. Wow, it's really nice. Thank you, baby. Voila.
Will you say what we put?
Yeah, it's
How it's made?
We have beans, Serbian beans. We have not minced meat, bacons and carrots.
And we put pork.
Oh yeah. Bacons and the pork, but bacon is a pork, baby.
Yeah, but we put pork,
The real pork.
chop.
Okay. Yeah.
And the bacon.
And
Yeah.
bacon, yeah. So this is pork, bacons, carrots, and beans. Very yummy, tasty meal for dinner.
You did a great job explaining how we made this. Just wasted like 4 hours of making this. And you managed to pack everything in 1 minute and 20 seconds, less.
No, I think the beans it out. The beans couldn't get soft, but it's now soft. Today we want to try smoothies. I think this is apple, banana, milk, and some chocolate smoothies.
And frozen later.
Oh, yeah, and we had them frozen. Yeah, taste and see.
Is it
Wow.
sweet enough?
It's very sweet. I can feel the taste of apple.
Homemade.
It's nicely smooth. How was it made?
Homemade.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Today our meal is called moussaka. Serbian meal.
It's not Serbian, it's a Greek
Oh,
dish.
it's a Greek. Okay, do you know that, baby? It's a Greek meal prepared by my husband. So
You're gonna tell people how you made it?
yeah, it's mincemeat, potatoes. We have the sour cream, but we are using yogurt because we didn't get the sour cream. And that's how it is. You eat it with bread.
Well, actually, you don't have to eat it with the bread. It's just me who eats it with the bread.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna try it. See how it tastes. Wow. It's really nice, baby. This is something we can try again. Tastes so nice.